So are you in the camp of four-year cycle still on cue, no real change in how these cycles have gone in the past, or do you think that has shifted some?
My base case is the four-year cycle is no longer really relevant. It arguably hasn't been relevant for the past cycle either. Early on, whenever the supply halving happened, that was a very big change to Bitcoin's kind of new supply coming out.
Hmm.
Whereas now, the annual supply inflation rate is well under 1%. It's
Okay.
a lower supply growth than gold, as on a percentage basis. And so I don't really view that as like the main driver anymore. I think there's, potentially some selling around the psychology of the four-year cycle.
Is this a time to DCA? Bitcoin trading literally as we record at around 90K. Is this a DCA time for Bitcoin?
I think so, and almost by definition, if someone's dollar cost averaging, it's always the right time. That's the kind of point is you're not really trying to time the market. I think it's more of a question of is it time to accelerate the DCA a little bit. Generally speaking, when the sentiment comes off, we've seen the Bitcoin Treasury MNAVs disappear. We've seen some of the metrics I look at, like market value compared to on-chain cost bases, that is compressed quite significantly.
Right.
Makes it a lot more attractive. Overall enthusiasm is elsewhere. It's on AI, it's on gold. Public sentiment around Bitcoin's pretty low. I generally think this is the time to lean into it now. But I think as a larger slice of a portfolio, I think it makes sense to buy the fear rather than kind of buy the enthusiasm.